G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we're making an Inigo Montoya.
Hello. My name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.
This recipe calls for vodka, agave syrup, jalapenos, bitters, fresh lemon juice and pineapple juice. Into a shaker, add 60 ml of vodka, 45 ml of lemon juice, 30 ml of pineapple juice, 6 ml of agave syrup, 2 slices of jalapenos, 2 drops of bitters, add ice, and shake. Plonk a little piece of dried fruit. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.